Hi guys, have you ever seen any CBD drink products in your local supermarket before? Well, today we're going to be showing you how to make your own CBD coffee, which is probably one of the easiest things you can do with CBD isolate, and you can get this pretty much anywhere online. So let's get into the video and make some CBD coffee. Okay, so first step is measuring out your isolate. We're going to be making this at about 200 milligrams in terms of strength, so that is 0.2 grams of isolate. So let's measure this puppy out. So there we go, we're all measured out, and all we have to do now is boil the kettle, put the water in here, dilute the isolate into there, and then add your coffee, and we are good to go. It's that easy to make it. So let's boil the kettle and get this on the road. So all we can do now is pour our water into the mug, add the isolate, and then dissolve it. Let's do this. Okay, so that's your water pretty much in there. I mean, it's not the hardest thing in the world to do, is it? And pop your isolate in. So this is water soluble, so it will dissolve fairly easy in the hot water. And give that a good little mix. And it's dissolved. That's really quick. So all we can do now is add our coffee beans, well, coffee powder, because it's much easier. So we just plop that in, give that a good stir. And then if you want to add your milk, you can, or you can have your coffee black. It's completely up to you, but that is as easy as it gets for making CBD coffee. Okay, well that was how you make CBD coffee. So compared to some other recipes like the cupcakes or the brownies that we've done, this is so much quicker, so much easier to get your CBD intake. So give the recipe a go and enjoy CBD.